Autumn has arrived. Well, in the Northern Hemisphere at least. And that means it's time to get cozy. So grab a hot beverage and join me to talk about how to create that cozy experience. Hi everyone, Liz here. Welcome to Balance and Rhythm. I'm so excited for the fall season. The year's winding down. Cooler, crisper weather has arrived or is on the way for many of us. But no matter where you are in the world, coziness and comfort are always welcome. So we're going to talk about 7 things you can do to bring the experience of coziness into your home in a way that will delight all 5 senses. Put these 7 tips into practice and watch the cozy come together. Think about the spaces you want to create. Will they be for coming together with family and friends? For these rooms, think conversation-friendly furniture arrangements, a beautifully set table, and soft lighting. Balance those spaces out with a spot or two for some solitude, like a little corner with a favorite chair or a reading nook in a window seat. Then use the remaining tips in each space to build on the cozy and inviting atmosphere. During the day, let the daylight stream in. In the evening, use soft white or amber lighting set at eye level, avoiding overhead lighting if possible and using dimmers if you do use it. Add layers of light. Keep your ambient light warm, dim, and diffuse, and add direct light only where you need it. Nothing beats the warm glow of a fire to create a magical atmosphere. If you have a fireplace, make it the room's focal point and arrange your seating around it. If you don't have a fireplace, you can create the same feeling on your patio with a fire pit or fire table. It's so fun and you can take in the crisp air at the same time. And don't forget candles. Add them to your already firelit room or patio or use them on their own to create a relaxing glow. For maximum comfort, look for sofas and chairs with arms that are fully upholstered for the coziest feel. These are great for areas where you want to lounge. Comfortable armrests or wooden armchairs are good for dining and conversation, but not so great for snuggling up for movie night or a good read. Upholster your furniture in cozy fabrics like wool, cotton, linen, or velvety microfiber, and textural weaves like boucle. Layer on blankets and chunky knits and cozy pillows for comfort. Airy rugs will warm up your rooms and create softness underfoot. And drapery, whether sheer or in a thicker fabric, further softens a room. You can double up on these with sheers as your first layer and more opaque panels as your second layer for added coziness. Natural elements like wood add warmth to a space, making it feel cozier. Consider adding wood furniture pieces and topping them with greenery and fresh flowers to further bring nature in. Add in natural, non-toxic fragrance to add that spicy autumn aroma. In addition to casting a beautiful light, candles can also make your home smell great. Look for non-toxic candles made with 100% essential oils, 100% coconut wax or beeswax, and unbleached cotton, hemp, or wooden wicks. You can also diffuse essential oils or heat up some homemade stovetop potpourri. Some great scents for fall are vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and apple. And if you're hungry, nothing smells better than baking cookies. I hope you enjoyed these 7 tips for cozying up your home. If you have any additional tips, please leave them in the comments below. And let me know if you have any questions for me. I always enjoy hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please consider subscribing to be the first to know about future videos. I'll be back next week with another video. In the meantime, have a beautiful day, a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.